fighting hard.
Whoa.
Good one. Gotta get in the net, get in the net, get in the net. Oh my god.
Got our sweet new to us canoe set up in the water. Got my electric trolling motor on the back. Arlo and I are super excited to get out there, hopefully catch some largemouth. So this is our first run of the free boat. Got it down the road on the side of the road for free. So let's see how she does. You ready to see how this little puppy does?
Yeah.
What way do you want to go? Oh, I thought you wanted to go over there. It doesn't go that bad. Oh, we're coming into our favorite spot up here.
Yeah, no. I still have hope. Okay. I casting first. Can I cast first?
Well, you cast forward, like we usually do.
That's a good cast. That's a problem. Oh! No way, I already got started. I think I might already have something. Where's Cat? Yeah, I do. Keep it down, keep it down. Dad, I already have something.
I got something too.
Yeah, double fish. Let's go. Oh, this is a good one.
Is it?
Yeah. Look at it. Yeah, it's
Can you-
underneath the net.
You can get it, no?
I can't get the net.
No, you can't get the fish.
Okay, yeah. Oh, geez. Okay.
You got it?
Yep.
Alright, sweet.
Yes.
Now we gotta work on getting this guy. I think he's in the weeds a little bit. We doubled up.
Well, yeah, I see it.
It's in the weeds.
Get out. Come on.
Oh, it's coming
Yeah.
through.
I got mine. Look at this thing.
Oh,
You.
this might be a decent one.
Nice.
Yeah, it's not a bad one for sure.
Look at mine, Dad. Oh wait, Dad, they're the same size.
Are they?
Yeah, get yours. Yo, this is sick. Look at it. Oh wait, yours is a little bit bigger than mine. These things are good size. First, second catch, not bad.
Nice.
Let's go.
I gotta get the hook out of mine.
Let mine go.
Be free, little guy.
Be free, little fishy.
Nice. Well, you're on fish number 2.
Yep.
That was fish number 1 for me.
Yeah, we're not doing competition. No competition.
Okay, we're doing it for fun today.
Yeah,
Sweet.
that's a little bit there.
I'm gonna bring us into the...
No, not that much, not too much, okay?
I'm gonna bring us over a little bit so you can cast up into it.
I think.
Hold on, hold on.
Okay,
Be easy.
I got one. He's fighting hard.
Whoa.
Good one. Gotta get in the net, get in the net, get in the net. Oh my gosh. Get it. Is it in?
Yeah,
That's a big one.
that's pretty good.
That's a big one, Dad.
Alright,
Wait, that's.
let some slack out.
There we go. That's slack.
Alright,
Okay,
I'm gonna
try to
back
get him.
us up.
I'm gonna try to get him, okay?
Alright,
Ooh, ooh.
Arlo, move your arm up. I'll lift it up for you.
Oh,
Oh, it's
okay.
caught on the...
Yeah. Yeah. No way. Have to get him. Just puke. Hi, fish. Just trying to get the hook out of you. I should be able to get it. Oh, it's like in there. Oh. There, you got it.
Sweet.
Let's go.
Nice. Fish number 3 for you, right?
Yeah.
It's a nice fish.
Okay, ready? There it goes. Back
Sweet.
into the man cave. Okay, I'm guessing it. Kinda. Yeah. Oh, perfect. Just about. Oh, yeah, there we go. That's it. I guess it's a little bit. I know that.
There's a bird. Yeah, there it is. See, it's in the bushes. It's in the bushes. It just took off.
Oh, wait. Oh, I swear. I was on. No.
On like Donkey Kong.
I just don't want to get hooked up. I want to get hooked up. I just want to get hooked up on a fish.
I hear ya.
Not the lily pads.
So what's your review of the beautiful canoe so far?
Probably, oh wait. Like 4 to 5?
Nice. For free?
Yeah, definitely. For free, 5 out of 5.
I even got the electric trolling motor for free too.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Quite a while ago
Yeah.
though. So it can't beat this package.
Yeah, you can.
The only thing I bought was a battery.
Yeah. Isn't that like your car battery or something like that?
No, it's a boat battery.
Oh, nice. Oh, you took it out of the boat?
Yeah, I got 2 of them for the boat. Oh,
You got it, son?
no, I don't know.
Oh,
Weeds.
perfect. You got something?
Thought I had some.
You probably did. Ooh. Wait a minute. Yeah, man. Come on. Let's go, baby. Let's go jump.
You
That's a good one. Look at feisty. Man.
want the net or are you gonna grab it?
Wait, it's a good one. Man. Not bad. Ooh, good hook setting and everything. Bye-bye, fish.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Come on.
Oh, it's a pickerel.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Can I release it?
If you want to grab them?
Yeah, sure. Wait a minute. Okay.
Remember, watch out for his teeth. You gotta just grab his body.
Nice. Wow, this is... Can I get the Kellys?
Yeah, I was gonna say you should use those.
Right through his lip. Hi. Ooh. And slimy. There you go.
Sweet.
Hey.
This thing is flying.
Dad, can you have it in slow speed? Oh, jeez. Active. Dad. We're literally passing my lure right now. Now it's 50 feet ahead of us. Look. There's my worm. Dad, can you slow this thing down?
Wow. This is actually pretty good.
Dad, we're literally passing like every single fish here. Dad, I said slowest speed. This is the fastest.
Is it?
Yep, bring it. Got him. Decent size.
Nice.
Oh, I got the hook. Wow, you're kind of close to losing him.
Oh yeah?
Look at it.
It's a pretty good one.
Can you see your fish?
You can hold them up.
This is Dad's fish. It's third. Wow, it's a beaut.
Sweet deal.
Okay. Oh, Captain, can you take us that way? Oh, we got time.
You.
Yep. Yeah, do. Hey, do. The pickerel.
Is it? Yep.
You need to get him in the net. There's a net. I can't even get him by myself. Ooh. Yeah. Please. Actually, never mind.
Can you reach them?
Yeah, you can get it. Oh,
Yep.
Oh, that did the work for me. Hi, everyone. We just caught this gnarly little pickerel.
Oh no.
Oh, no.
Quick grab it.
I'm trying. Oh, jeez.
Oh.
I get it.
Oh, easy.
Bye, little buddy. Happy trails. Yeah, I'm gonna. Oh, geez. Wait, that one. There's one already. Another pickerel. Or a largemouth. No, it's a largie. Oh, geez. I reeled in too much.
You want the net? It's right. I can't reach for the net.
I got it. Wait. Oh, it's on his tongue.
Well, Mom wants a picture of it, so.
On his tongue, Dad.
Oh.
The hooky is on his tongue. I'm just gonna try to get it. Kelly's, please. Kelly's, Dad.
They're behind you. You gotta let some slack out of you.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. I just realized that. There we go.
Here.
Thank you. Get this worm out of here. There you go, buddy. There he is. He's good. I have a little bit of a bloody mouth now, but
Well, he took off, so that's good.
Yep.
Sweet.
yeah. I'm a doctor now.
Apparently.
It was like sideways in his tongue. So I had to like kind of get it through the gill.
Oh, yep. Well, you got it out good.
Yep. We got one. Another one. We got a fighter. And he's in that. Oh, snap. Another one. Oh, sweet. Oh, R.I.P. worm. It's a good one, though. Look at him. It's a good size.
Right? Here, well, maybe you gotta hold this one up. Mom wants a picture.
Okay. Let's go. There we go.
Sweet.
See you, buddy. Whew.
Nice catch, man.
Thanks, Dad. Ooh. This way.
8th?
Or
Jeez.
7th or 8th.
Probably,
Makes sense. Yeah. Oh, got one. We're doubled up.
Oh, I lost mine.
Well, at least I still got mine.
Oh, you lost yours too.
Well, what do you think you're gonna catch next? Your next fish.
Goldfish?
Goldfish? Yeah, that would not last long. You put a goldfish in here, it'd be by into probably like a minute at least. Or 10 seconds. Oh, geez. Oh. Yeah, Okay, you had a goldfish in here. 10 seconds, it'd be gone.
Yeah.
That thing would be swimming around. Bass comes up and eat it, or a pickerel bites it in half.
Yeah.
Now strip in. Shut off that motor. El Capitano, shut off that motor. Capitano, shut off that motor.
Well, we're about out of battery. We're gonna keep fishing out here into the night a little bit. Yeah, it's like at 1% for filming. So that's it for the video.
I thought you were talking about the GoPro battery.
No, the GoPro.
I was freaking out for a second.
So that's it. See
See
you
ya.
guys.